The Acura TLX sedan gets updated styling and new standard and available features for the 2018 model year. New standard features include Acura Watch Active Safety Tech, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. 6-cylinder models are available with a new A-Spec trim featuring revised steering and suspension tuning, at 19-inch alloy wheels, lip spoiler, body kit, bigger dual exhaust tips, and badging, as well as a new steering wheel and sport seats. Power for the 2018 Acura TLX comes from either a 2.4-liter K24i4 making 206 horsepower and 182 pounds-ft of torque mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, or an optional 3.5-liter J35 V-6 making 290 horsepower and 267 pounds-ft backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. Both transmissions feature paddle shifters. Front drive is standard with both engines and features precision all-wheel steer, PAWS, and the automaker's super handling all-wheel drive, SHAWD, is available with the V6 engine. 4-cylinder models ride on restyled 17-inch wheels. 6-cylinder models ride on 18-inch wheels, and V6 A-Spec models feature 19-inch alloy wheels. 2018 Albanian Lex Acura TLX models feature LED headlights, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The V6 TLX with a technology package gains new features including chrome side sill trim, new seats with contrast piping and stitching, and a driver's seat with power thigh extension. The advanced package gains trapezoidal LED fog lights, a multi-camera parking system, wireless charging pad, LED ambient lighting, heated steering wheel and heated rear seats, a rear spoiler, and power folding side mirrors.